Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. In this topic, we are going to discuss the equations which are not in the form of linear equations but can be reduced to linear equations in two variables by making necessary substitutions. So let us discuss the topic by using an example. See the question. Solve the pair of equations 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. Here this pair of equations are not in the form of linear equations. So we are going to make necessary substitutions here and will make these two equations in the form of linear equations in two variables. So first we can rearrange the question. So 2 by x, the first term is 2 by x. 2 by x we can write as 2 into 1 by x. 3 by y, 3 by y we can write as 3 into 1 by y. 5 by x. 5 by x we can write as 5 into 1 by x. 4 by y. 4 by y we can write as 4 into 1 by y. So the question changes like this. 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y equal to 13. 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y equal to minus 2. In these equations, this 1 by x we are going to substitute by another variable u, and 1 by y we are going to substitute by another variable b. So in the place of 1 by x, u will come, and in the place of 1 by y, v will come. So the equation changes. 2u plus 3v equal to 13, 5u minus 4v equal to minus 12. Now the equation becomes pair of linear equations in two variables with variables u and v. Now we are going to solve these two equations. We can use any of the algebraic methods we have studied. We have studied three algebraic methods: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Here I am going to follow cross multiplication method. For applying cross multiplication method, first we need to keep the C1 and C2 to left side. So the equation changes to 2u plus 3v minus 13 equal to 0, equation number 1. 5u minus 4v plus 2 equal to 0, equation number 2. Cross multiplication method you have studied, it is in the notebook. You can refer it. For applying cross multiplication method, first you collect the a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in a box. 2, 3 and minus 13 are a1, b1, c1. 5 minus 4, 2 are a2, b2, c2. Then for cross multiplication method, first you have to write on the variable u, v, then 1. After that, first you need to write b1 and b2. This is b1 and b2. You have to start from here. 3 and minus 4 we wrote first. Next c1 and c2, minus 13 and 2. Then a1 and a2, 2 and 5. Then again b1 and b2. So start with b1 and b2. b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, again b1, b2. And you can cross multiply like this. I have drawn here. You can see it. Then u divided by 3 into 2 minus 4 into minus 13. U divided by 3 into 2, it is 6, minus 4 into minus 13, it is 52, equal to v divided by minus 13 into 5, it is minus 65, minus 2 into 2, it is 4, equal to 1 divided by 2 into minus 4, it is minus 8, minus 3 into 5, it is 15. So, u divided by 6 minus 52, it is minus 46, equal to v divided by minus 65 minus 4, it is minus 69, equal to 1 divided by minus 8 minus 15, it is minus 23. Next, we need to equate the first and last, then second and last. That is, u by minus 46 equal to 1 by minus 23 and v by minus 69 equal to 1 by minus 23. From this part, we need to find out u. To find out u, you have to take this minus 46 to right side. Minus 46 is dividing here. If it go to right side, you have to multiply. Means it will go up. So, u equal to minus 46 by minus 23. And b equal to minus 69 by minus 23. That is, u equal to 2 and v equal to 3. So now we go to the values of u and v. But we need to get the values of x and y. So you have to see here we substituted 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. So u equal to 2 means 1 by x equal to 2. 2 I have written like 2 by 1. It is both are same. V equal to 3 means 1 by y equal to 3. 3 means 3 by 1. 1 by x equal to 2 by 1. So we can write x equal to 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal. 1 by y equal to 3 by 1. So we can write y equal to 1 by 3. Take the reciprocal. So we got the values of x and y. X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. These are the solutions. This question you have to practice again 2 or 3 times in your rough notebook. This question is very important. Now let us discuss one more question of same type. The question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Here we have to rearrange the question first. 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x we can write as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. 1 by 3y we can write as 1 by 3 into 1 by y. Here 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x we can write as 1 by 3 into 1 by x. 1 by 2y. 1 by 2y we can write as 1 by 2 into 1 by y. So the equation become 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y equal to 2. 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y equal to 13 by 6. Here this 1 by x we are going to substitute as u, and this 1 by y we are going to substitute as v. So in the place of 1 by x u will come, and in the place of 1 by y v will come. So here u, here v, here also u, here v. So the equation becomes 1 by 2u plus 1 by 3v equal to 2, 1 by 3u plus 1 by 2v equal to 13 by 6. Now the equations become the form of linear equations in two variables. We can solve it. So before solving, you just see the a1 and b1 here in the form of a rational number 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a rational number. Here b1 is also a rational number. Here a2 1 by 3, it is also a rational number. Here b2 is 1 by 2, it is also a rational number. So if you feel difficulty by keeping these variables as coefficients as rational number, you can change it by cross multiply it once. Okay, so just we can cross multiply, then this rational form will change to whole number form. So we can just cross multiply it. 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 3. So 3u plus 2v whole divided by 6 equal to 2. 3u plus 2v whole divided by 6 equal to 2. This 6 we can take to right side, it will go up. 3u plus 2v equal to 12. The same way, the second equation also we can cross multiply. We will get 2u plus 3v whole divided by 6. 2u plus 3v whole divided by 6 equal to 13 by 6. Here no need to take 6 to that side. You can see the left side and the right side having same denominator. So we can cancel this 6 and 6. We will get 2u plus 3v equal to 13. So we got two equations in the form of linear equations. Now we are going to solve it. For solving pair of linear equations, you have studied three methods: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Here I am going to use cross multiplication method. Here you can use any method: substitution, elimination or cross multiplication. For applying cross multiplication, you need to keep C1 to left side, C2 also to left side. So equation becomes 3u plus 2v minus 12 equal to 0. Equation number 1. 2u plus 3v minus 13 equal to 0. Equation number 2. For applying cross multiplication, you can write the variable u, variable v and then 1. Then you have to write this b1 and b2 first, 2 and 3. Next c1 and c2, minus 12 and minus 13. Then a1 and a2, 3 and 2. Again b1 and b2, 2 and 3. So b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. Now we are going to cross multiply like this. I have drawn it here, you can see. U divided by 2 into minus 13 minus 3 into minus 12 equal to V divided by minus 12 into 2 minus 13 into 3 equal to 1 divided by 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2. So we get u divided by minus 26 minus 36 equal to b divided by minus 24 minus 39 equal to 1 divided by 9 minus 4. Here you can see two negative signs, so this 36 will become plus 36. Here also you can see two negative signs, so 39 will become plus 39. So u divided by minus 26 plus 36, it is equal to 10. V divided by minus 24 plus 39. It is equal to 15. 1 divided by 9 minus 4, it is equal to 5. That is u by 10 equal to 1 by 5 and b by 15 equal to 1 by 5. That is first one equal to third one and second one equal to third one. Next we need to find out u. To find out u, you have to keep only u here. This 10 you have to take to right side. It will go up. There is 1 into 10, that is 10. So u equal to 10 divided by 5 and b equal to 15 divided by 5. So we get u equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Now we got only u and b. We need to get x and y. So you have to see, we substituted 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to b. So u equal to 2 means 1 by x equal to 2. 2 here I wrote as 2 by 1 for an easiness. V is 1 by y. V equal to 3 means 1 by y equal to 3. 1 by x equal to 2 by 1. So x equal to 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal. 1 by y equal to 3 by 1. So y equal to 1 by 3. So we go to the solutions. X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.